In today's video, I will walk you through how to check Spotify streams. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Then, use the search bar and type the name of the artist whose streams you want to check. From the search results, select the correct artist to open their official profile. If multiple artists have similar names, choose the correct profile by checking the verified checkmark or looking at the profile image and discography. Make sure you are on the artist's main profile page and not on a playlist, album, or individual track page. Once you are on the artist's profile, scroll down until you find the Popular section. On some devices, this may appear as Popular Tracks. This section shows the artist's top-performing songs. Under each track title in this section, Spotify may display a number representing the total streams the track has accumulated. The number appears as a large figure with commas. If a song does not display a number, the stream count may not be publicly available for that track in your current view. The stream counts shown in the Popular section are cumulative totals. They are not daily or weekly statistics. They reflect plays across all listeners and regions, and the numbers update over time, although they may not always update in real time. These stream counts usually appear in the Popular section only. You generally will not see them listed in album track lists, playlist views, or on individual track pages. If you do not see any stream numbers, first make sure you are viewing the correct artist profile. Then scroll further down the profile and check the Popular section again. You can also check the desktop app or the web player, where the numbers may be easier to spot. Keep in mind that features can vary slightly depending on your device and app version. The Popular section also usually shows only a limited selection of the artist's top songs, rather than their entire catalog. For newer releases or other tracks outside the artist's top songs, a public stream count may not appear even if the track is available to play. To check Spotify streams, search for the artist, open the correct artist profile, and scroll down to the Popular section. Then, look under each eligible track for the total number of streams displayed. Following these steps, you can quickly check the Spotify streams that are publicly shown for an artist's most popular songs. Thank you for watching.